Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dig deep into everything Apple, AI, and next-gen computing. Today we've got a massive breakdown of the upcoming Apple Mac Mini M5, device that could change the game for compact desktops. Hardware upgrades to new AI integrations and performance benchmarks. This isn't just a refresh, it's a revolution in a box. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's uncover the top leaks, features, pricing, and the official release window of the Mac Mini M5. The journey of Mac Mini so far, the Mac Mini story began in 2005, offering a compact macOS experience to entry-level users. But the real transformation started in 2020 with the M1 chip. That changed everything: performance, power efficiency, and thermal control. Apple then iterated with the M2 Mac Mini, offering pro-level silicon in a form factor that could fit in your palm. However, many speculated about the M3, but in an unexpected move, Apple might skip that entirely and leap straight to the M5 chip in late 2025. This shift isn't just about skipping generations. It's about aligning with Apple's new AI and hardware roadmap, design overhaul, and thermal innovations. While the Mac Mini M5 will remain visually familiar, insiders suggest Apple is refining the form to enhance cooling and airflow. Leaked design updates: a slightly taller chassis for improved air circulation, upgraded dual fan, thermal design quieter, more efficient new space, black and midnight finishes, subtle LED redesign for status and performance indicators. What this means is that the M5 chip can run cooler and longer at higher speeds, crucial for creators, developers, and even gamers. 15. Groundbreaking features of the M5 Mac Mini 1. Apple M5 chip, 3 nanometers architecture, 10-core CPU, 6. Performance. 4 efficiency, 14-core GPU with hardware ray tracing, 32-core neural engine, 4 AI workloads. 2. AI acceleration with macOS Sequoia system, wide AI summaries, generative media tools, app-level enhancements, Final Cut, Safari Notes. 3. Thunderbolt 5 support up to 80 gigabits per second transfer speeds, dual 6K or 18000 monitor. Support 4. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, lower latency. Higher bandwidth, more reliable. 5. Up to 32 gigabytes unified RAM memory options, 8 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes, 24 gigabytes. 32 gigabytes memory bandwidth exceeds 150 gigabytes per second. 6. Next-gen PCIe Gen 5 SSDs. Storage from 256 gigabytes to 4 terabytes. Read speeds up to 13 gigabytes S7. Support for native 8K output HDR10. Dolby Vision, 10-bit color 8. Enhanced cooling system, dual fan, low noise active cooling. Heat pipe redesign. 9. Sustainable materials, recycled aluminum enclosure, conflict-free materials, RoHS compliant. 10. macOS Sequoia integration, AI macros, desktop phone, mirroring context, aware Siri 11, universal app compatibility. M5 runs x86 apps via Rosetta, 312. Advanced display controller, multi-monitor calibration, eGPU support, rumors for devs. 13. Customizable performance profiles, balanced, high performance. Silent modes. 14. Studio-ready audio support, enhanced DAC multi-channel output via USB-C HDMI. 15. iCloud AI Sync AI, features personalized across all Apple devices, performance benchmarks. In real-world usage, according to leaked test units, the M5 Mac Mini is no slouch. Benchmarks reveal Geekbench 6 single-core 3200-3350 multi-core 16500 to 17200 metal GPU score 58000. 65,000 neural engine, 65 tops. Trillion operations per second. That's enough for 8K video rendering, live AI model training, AA gaming at 4K. It's easily faster than the M2 Pro and on par with desktop Intel Core i9 systems. Port selection and expandability. Let's talk I/O. Huge consideration developers. Expected port configuration for X Thunderbolt 5 to X USB 3.2 Gen 2 HDMI. 2.2 8060 Hz, 10 gigabits, Ethernet, 3.5 millimeters, headphone jack, Hi-Fi ready optional. SDXC card reader even without internal upgrades. This port selection makes the M5 Mac Mini more versatile than most laptops. macOS, Sequoia. Built for AI macOS, Sequoia changes how we use macOS. AI features include Smart Desktop Widget Suggestions app, specific AI shortcuts, summarized browser sessions, context-aware reminders, iPhone live screen mirroring with control access. Apple's goal is clear: make AI seamless, non-invasive, and built into the flow of everyday computing. Price breakdown: here's what insiders expect for pricing at launch. Base model 8 GB, 256 GB, $599, mid-tier 16 GB, 512 GB, $799, top tier 32 GB, 1 TB, $1,099, possible M5 Pro variant, $1,299. Compared to competitors like Intel NUC or even the Mac Studio, the value is incredible. Official release date and launch strategy: industry sources and Apple analysts predict announcement October 2025. Apple event. Pre-orders begin same week. Shipping starts November 2025. Expect Apple to position it as a part of the new AI-first Mac lineup. How it compares Mac Mini M2 and M2 Pro? The M5 is expected to offer 50% faster CPU performance, 35% faster GPU rendering, 70% better neural processing, native support for newer standards like Wi-Fi 7 and Thunderbolt 5. It's basically a Mac Studio Lite in a smaller shell. So there you have it. The upcoming Mac Mini M5 might just be the best value desktop Mac Apple has ever made. Between its AI-driven capabilities, raw performance, and compact footprint, it's perfect for anyone from coders to content creators. What do you think? Are you excited to upgrade? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Apple exclusives, deep dives, and buying guides.